Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to watch Hotstar outside of India. That means you can watch Hotstar anywhere in the world. If I go to Google and type Hotstar, and here is the site, is the first link. Hotstar.com/in. If I click here, for example, movies, then I choose, English. You can see here, I don't have access to watch the site because I live outside of India. To deal with this issue, I need to use a VPN. VPN will allow me to change my location. I use IVACY. It's very easy to use, and at the same time it works very well with Hotstar. I will leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. I need to select India and then click to connect. Just wait for a few seconds. It's already connected. You can see here your location, India. Okay, now let me go to the site back again. Hotstar, and here is the link. As you can see now, I have access to the site. And here is it, hotstar.com/in. Okay, now for example here I have TV, movies, sport, news. Just you can scroll down, shows recommended for you, popular movies, live news. Okay, for example movies, if I choose English, you have a lot of movies here. If I select this one, you can see here some information about the movie, the duration 1 hour 38 minutes, its action, and here is the description about the movie, and just click watch movie to watch the movie. But unfortunately I can't play the movie here because of the copyright issue. This is what you need to do if you want to watch Hotstar outside of India. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to check the link in the description below, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.